So, this is quite a unusual question. I haven't really seen anything like this before, but it says by factorising, so I'm going to do some factorising. So that is equal to n times n. Two numbers that add together to make 12 and times together to make 27. That is 3 and 9. Now it says show that the 20th term, so n is the term number, if you like, the position. So we put 20 into there, 20 plus 3, 20 plus 9, 23. The fact that these brackets are next to each other means that they are multiplied. So, show that it can be written as the product of two prime numbers. Oh, well, this is the product, these are two prime numbers, so that's that done. The nth term of a different sequence is this by completing the square or otherwise. So I'm just going to complete the square of this. Don't worry about this till a bit later on. So that will be n take away 3 all squared. Now, n take away 3 all squared comes out as n squared take away 6n. That's right, but we do multiply these two to get plus 9. Now we want plus 14, so we're going to have to add 5 to that to get from 9 to 14. So show that every term of this is positive. So, right, well, think about what values this could be if you can't understand this straight away. Let's try some values. If n was 0, then 0 take away 3 would be negative 3. Negative 3 squared would be 9. If that was 1, 1 take away 3 would be negative 2. Negative 2 squared would be 4. If that was 2, this would be negative 1. Negative 1 squared is 1. So basically, every time you square, no matter if this is negative or positive, this is going to be positive, this answer here, because squaring gives you a positive answer. So this can't be negative. So a positive number plus 5 is going to be a positive number. So basically, the show that bit of this question is to say that n take away 3 squared is always greater than or equal to 0. The smallest it can be is 0. So that means that n take away 3 squared plus 5 is always greater than or equal to 5. The minimum it can be is 5, so it is always positive.